Nityanand sir, you are requested to meet me in front of the stage.
Arush Kundan. Every skid students, before going with your parents, you are supposed to meet Soumya sir or me.